pass me the butter.
Duck! Get out of here! Oh, that's cool. She's making a cool
Alright,
design.
not bad, not
That's
bad.
very cool.
Oh, what's
okay.
going on there?
This is just made for Doc. This is like his video.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
Okay.
Okay.
We got
The
some
bleach
zebra
stuff.
stripes.
Yeah, little zebra stripes with bleach.
I got you to
not
say
bad.
zebra, because
Zebra.
normally British people say zebra.
Zebra.
Ah,
Zebra.
yes. This is a cool design.
Looks very perky.
Oh my gosh.
Doc!
Doc, get out of here! Serious. That's cool.
Alright, little half moons.
Half moons?
Little half moons.
Yeah, little half moons.
That's so cool.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
That she,
That makes me wanna. Oh,
hats off.
very good. Excellent
Nice.
work.
You know, she wears it well.
Yeah.
She does. She does. It's good.
I want that shirt actually. That'd be sick.
Water. Bleach.
Okay, it's gonna tie dye.
Ooh.
It's
Ooh.
give you this grading.
Ah,
That is
okay, okay.
nice.
That's a
and that
long
looks like
shirt.
a lab coat. You know, I wouldn't mind wearing that.
You should get one.
You
We
know
should-
what?
we
I'm
can
gonna
make
try
you
that
one.
experiment.
You should do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, they're making a
The
moon, a
again.
sun,
Yeah.
Yep.
An eclipse.
an eclipse.
eclipse!
Have you ever looked at an eclipse fully?
Well, that's why I'm half blind.
Yeah, don't do that.
Alright.
I did it,
good.
and I have
Yeah,
two
nice.
glass eyes now.
Yeah?
What?
Flint
What?
glass eyes?
I'm also deaf. There's
Alright.
no place like home.
So
Yes,
Dorothy, take me home. Kansas.
Basic
is
white
waiting.
girl quotes.
What'd
Yes,
you say
I love
about
it.
white girl?
Basic white girl. Okay, so we got
Alright.
moons.
That's good.
Is this all about astrology?
I guess so. It's half moons, full moons,
Mercury's in retrograde
quarter
right now.
moons. Is it?
No, I don't know.
Oh man.
Love needs no
I only believe in science.
words.
So I don't believe in astrology.
Yes, I believe in
Sounds
signs
good.
as well. Signs from
Signs from the
the
aliens.
stars.
Oh gosh. Oh, robot!
Oh, speaking of aliens.
What is going on?
Come on, that's such an outdated move.
Let's put some more clothes on me. She looks very weird. Very
Yes.
interesting fashion sense.
I like it.
Bleach.
Oh, she's bleaching herself.
Oh, that's a good reason to wear a hazmat
Did
suit.
she know that the
You don't
bleach
have to
can
do it while
actually
you-
go through that suit because
Really?
that's just a painter's suit.
But no, she has a.
Yeah, it was a painter's suit.
By the way, it's nice.
It is
That
nice.
actually
It's
nice.
nice.
Yeah.
But she could like do it while it's off and then like off of her body so she could actually not burn herself.
True.
And the smell.
And the
that
smell,
smells
yeah,
awful, yeah.
that's caustic, right? Or like I don't know what the word is. Hazardous.
Hazardous.
Okay.
All right.
She's gonna twist it with that little
You think so?
knob. Yeah.
I don't think
Yeah.
so.
No?
I think that's
Just
the only
left it.
What's the purpose
point
of the knob?
to leave
Oh.
that spot. Yeah.
Now it looks like a Soundgarden album cover.
It's very grungy, very
Yeah.
Nirvana-esque. All right.
Okay.
¿Qué? ¿Qué pasa?
Okay, so we got these little rings coming on.
¿Dónde está rings?
Okay.
It's like little bubbles.
That's cool. That's
That
really
is nice.
Top of the morning, ladies and gents. What do we have here? A fake snake. Interesting. Let's see where this goes. Alright. I kind of feel sorry for the cowboy boot. But let's see what it's all about. That was pretty bad. Okay, some leather dye. Looks a bit tacky, if I say so. Alright, we got a black boot and a black snake. Wonderful. Did you know a block of ice works magic for chewing gum? Be it in your hair, or in your clothes, or in your boot. Very nice. Snazzy. Alrighty then. She fix up the sew. I can't get over the fact that it's really, really shabby. Is that Play-Doh? What is that? Good old sausage. Bit of fish scale. It's a snake tail. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. Now we know. We live and we learn. Isn't that right? Impressive. And what is this goo? I guess it's silicone because it's quite stretchy and elastic. Wow. You know, you thought you've seen everything on the internet, but then you click on a video like this. Corn. She's actually using corn. Interesting. That looks insane, ladies and gents. Some cowboy snake boots. I don't know if you'd wear that. I'd probably wear it to some kind of Comic-Con stuff. Why is she putting prophylactics on her toes? Condom feet? Protecting your toes from blisters? Oh gosh, just use some Compeed. Alright. So now we got a ninja cast. Because, correct me if I'm wrong, the ninjas used to wear these kind of toe things. To be extra quiet and grab onto the ropes with their toeage. I'm glad that wasn't a real lizard. But it does look satisfying. Yeah, you picked that lizard out. There we go. Okay. Little pink boot lizard. With some green slime. Wonderful! I'm feeling, again, a Halloween thematic here. Or a dress-up ball. But a bit tacky again. Okay. That's a lot, right? That's a lot. Oh gosh. That was insane. Thank you for being with me. See you later. Bye.
What's she doing?
Maybe she's looking for treasure.
Do you think you could find treasure at the beach like that?
Yes, and we did it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We actually did that. Okay.
I mean, with the same gadget, so yeah. Watch this video, it's a very popular one.
But what are
we
they
use
gonna
this
do
on
now?
beach. What?
They're
It
melting
doesn't look
shells?
like- Wait, what?
I didn't even know you could. Okay.
To get what?
To get the ashes from the
Ashes,
shells?
Yeah, ashes shell.
It's kind of dark, but okay. Okay, so we're
Yeah.
pounding some metal, scraping it up.
Okay, wow.
Oh, and now we get the dust. They're really. What the heck are they doing?
They just collecting. It's a collector of the dust. I
Yeah,
guess,
dust
I don't know.
collection.
Yeah. So wait.
This is like the weirdest hobby ever. Just collect dust from all the weird things you can find.
But wait for it. They are mixing all this. It's kind of this thing for another purpose. I guess,
Yeah, I
not
think they
for
just
this, but
use it. What
okay.
is happening? And they're making metal with it.
So wait, what? So
I'm very confused. So
what is this shelf dash there?
they just put it in an urn. Oh no, it's not an urn. Okay, that's a cocktail mixer.
And now they got what?
Ah, little beads, like little circular beads. Oh, but now they just ruined it. So what was the point of anything?
Wait, I'm confusing. I mean, so many action, which looks unnecessary for me for some point.
Yep.
Happens here, but okay. And
Okay,
all
let's just go with it.
Yeah.
Let's just go with it. See what happens. Maybe it'll turn into something cool. Maybe it won't.
Maybe, but all this effort should be for something, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Some jewelry.
Looks like
maybe.
some kind of jewelry.
Yeah.
So we're
okay,
soldering that
well,
together, smashing it up. It looks like a weird shape, not a conventional ring, but maybe an earring of some sort.
Maybe, but it's gonna be heavy if they want to put the
Yeah, maybe a
put
necklace
rope
then.
there. Oh.
Ah,
Oh.
maybe a necklace? It looks a little thin though. Okay.
Well, I
UV
actually
drying. Kind of cool.
kind of like it.
Um,
Could be. Yeah, maybe you were right. It's a earring.
I would put the
Yeah.
the ash in also in the epoxy, like maybe in the bottom or something.
Like a sand.
Like sand.
to me,
Yeah, that would be
kinda
cool.
Nice, kind of nice.
But this is nice.
It's kind of not bad. Okay.
Oh, babe.
Wow. Yes, that would be nice to have some sand there, and it's gonna the beach
Beach vibes.
vibes. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Nice, and they put it on the trees.
But all this action around, something crazy.
Is it worth it, guys?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below.
Please.
And like and follow Archie5.